Welcome to my review of the Leobog Hi75C PRO. This is a wired or wireless mechanical keyboard which was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing my review with you so that you can make an informed buying decision. Take a look at the box very quickly. On the side you can see this is an 81 key custom mechanical keyboard. It's a plain looking box, which isn't a bad thing. It means all of the money's gone into the actual keyboard itself. We'll take a closer look at this beauty in a short while. We'll start with the box contents. So we have got a keycap and key switch puller, because you can change those over if you wish to. We also get the Hi75C PRO user manual. We also get some extra key switches. We also get this, which is like a keyboard layout sheet. And if we take a look around on the back, it just gives you some details about the various connections and keys. Only in the one language, so you have to work everything out for yourself. The actual user manual, I believe the user manual is in English as well, which indeed it is. So it gives you all of the details inside the user manual. And then we get a nice braided cable, USB-C to USB-A. I would have liked to have seen USB-C to USB-C, but it's part coiled, and then this section here is straight. Really nice cable. Inside the packaging you also get this clear cover again, which is really nice to see, because not only does it protect the keyboard during shipping, but it also gives you a nice dust cover to use on a daily basis. So I do like that as well. Now it's available in a few different colours. This white one has got a nice sort of caramel and creamy colour combination. Very, very nice indeed. We also got this rotary dial in the corner, which also acts as a button. Very, very nice. Really like the layout. Looks absolutely stunning. Nice, crisp, clean colourway on here. Also nice construction, this very heavy metal base plate. We take a look on the underside here. We've got just a design etched into the underside. Very, very nice looking base to this, little rubber feet on here as well. And whilst we're in this orientation, let's take a look at the connections. So we have got the 2.4G USB receiver just stored in the back here, nice and safe. We've got USB-C connection, and then we've got that three-way rocker switch. In the middle position it's for wired, and then to the left for Bluetooth connectivity, and to the right for the 2.4G connectivity, which will use the USB receiver. So I've just dimmed my studio lights here. We're going to turn this on. You get to see the awesome backlighting. Wow, this is so cool. And of course you can configure the backlighting to your choice. It really is beautiful. And we've even got this button in the corner, and there's some sort of crystallized element inside which just looks stunning. Very, very nice indeed. Really very impressive. So what is this like to type on? Well, let's check it out right now. It really is a pleasure to type on. We've got a very nice thunky, clicky sound to this. Super, and I mean super responsive. The actuation of the key switches in here is exceptionally good. For gaming and productivity, it is exceptional. I talk about gaming because of course you can use any keyboard for gaming, and this one really does excel. Very fast response time, excellent amount of travel on these keycaps, and just an exceptionally nice experience. I really do like it. For productivity, I'm really impressed as well. I always talk about sort of transitioning across from my regular keyboard in my videos, and it took me probably round about sort of 5 minutes to feel comfortable using this. It's a nice typing angle as well. Really nice construction. They've done a fantastic job on here. And the fact that you can use this wired or wireless, either in the 2.4G mode or Bluetooth, is a really good choice as well, because it makes it very flexible in how you're going to be able to use it. For gaming, I would go wired or 2.4G. For productivity, which is mainly what I've been using it for, I've been using it connected via Bluetooth, and it's worked very, very well indeed. And at the end of the day, to conserve battery life, I can just pop it round into the USB mode, which switches off the internal battery, pop the dust cover on, and I'm good to go for another day. Really good experience with this. This is the Leobog Hi75C Pro, and I can highly recommend it. If you want to pick up one for yourself, check out the links down in the video description. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.